Hello and welcome to Python Coding Challenge number 25. In this video we are going to enter the world of electronics, and in particular that of resistors. As you know, resistors come in many sizes, and the value of the resistor, at least for this common type you can see here, can be determined using the colored stripes on the resistor's body. So here is your challenge for today. Use this conversion table to create a code which, given 4 colors as inputs, determines the value of the resistor and its tolerance. Of course, your code must also be able to filter out incorrect color combinations, so make sure to keep this aspect in mind when devising your solution. I wish you all the best of luck as always, and look forward to seeing you again next week for the solution. Until then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and, of course, happy coding!